Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a blurry border or blurry canvas on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have this video and you want to upload it at a like 1:1 platform or like ratio, and you don't want all this black space and you don't want to zoom in either. So to add like a blurry canvas, just simply scroll down. It's only going to work if your video is on the first track, by the way. I'm just saying that. Go to canvas and select blur, and you can choose from these. They have the most blurry one, which is here, this one, this one, this one. I think this one's at 100, 75, 50, and 25, I think, but you're just going to choose that. If you just like want a blurry border though, it's like something different. I'm just going to select the video and just copy and paste it, and then it's actually pretty actually no, it's not similar, but you're just going to go to effects instead, and you're going to search for the blur effect, and you're going to add that on to this one. Okay, let's not add this one, and then you're going to select your second video and you're going to scale it down, and you'll have this blurred background. What I like to do is I like to add in a shadow so that I can see. So I'm just going to add this black background, freeze frame it, and I will just go to mask and select a rectangle, and I will just feather it out. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!